You ready? Hey guys, welcome back. Now we're gonna start with making our salsa verde. All right, now for this recipe, what you'll need is 2 serrano peppers, probably like 2 cloves of garlic, but this one's pretty big, 1/3 of an onion, and about 11 tomatillos, and a bunch of cilantro, and add salt to taste. Okay, so at this point, when you get started with the serrano peppers, if you're someone who doesn't really like it to be that spicy, then I recommend cutting it, de-seeding it, and that'll help. All right, so now we've let everything roast. As you can tell, the tomatillos changed color, which is what you look for. Here's the garlic, the onion, and the pepper. All right, let's put everything into a blender. I'm now gonna pour just a little bit of liquid to kind of help blend things up. And I chose to use chicken stock, homemade. However, you can use water if you feel like, but I think it adds a little more flavor to the mix. And now for the cilantro. Un poquito sal. Maybe just a little more. All right, now we're gonna give it a try. Make sure we don't need to add anything. It's perfect. Now to add something fun, I like to sometimes blend avocado with it. Makes it a little thicker and it tastes great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do.